Guys, welcome back to the kitchen with Debbie. How are you doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I'm gonna be making some saltfish fritters. I know Spanish has a name for it. I don't remember what the name is. Anyway, in this bowl I have 2 pounds. I'm sorry, 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. I have a stalk of green onions, a scallion that I washed and chopped up. I have a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, no seeds, not in the mood for spice this morning. I have half of a small tomato that I dice small, chop small. I have saltfish over here. It's about a quarter pound of saltfish without bone. I soaked this in water overnight and I cooked it this morning for about a half an hour. Then cool it down. I'm gonna smash it up small pieces. Just shred it up like this in my hand in the flour. Okay. Just gonna wash my hands, okay? I'm gonna stir this up together. And add some black pepper to this. Probably about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. Again, if you recall, that was 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That was about a quarter pound of saltfish. 1 stalk of green onion chopped. A pinch of Scotch bonnet pepper. That is optional. If you can't find any, that's fine. Quarter pound of saltfish. I have 2 cups of water here. I don't think I will need all of it. So I'll let you know exactly how much of water I use. This is something my girls love when they're not home. Well, JD's home. Last night she had the sniffles and went to bed late, so she didn't wake up for school this morning, but the 2 oldest ones are not. And when they see the pictures on Instagram, because they like to follow me on Instagram when they're not home to see what I make, so they can ruffle my feathers. But well, you snooze, you lose, right? The thickness of it all depends on you, how thick or watery. I would recommend too watery. I had 2 cups of water. Now it's down to a little bit under 1 cup. And I think that's just about how much I'm going to use. And no, you don't need a whisk. I just use a large spoon. And that saltfish is just codfish you get from the those little grocery stores, meat stores. For those of you who not quite sure. Yeah, that's about how thick I want mine. You can have a couple plantains too that I need to use up. So I'll use up one of them. I'm heating a pot on the stove. I'm gonna have some oil, so we're gonna move over to the stove. Okay, guys, that's good. Like I said, I had about 2 cups of water, and I'm just barely under 1 cup, so I barely use a little. I just barely use more than 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna pause so we can move over to the stove. Okay. So see, that's about how thick we got it. See that? All right, so let's pause so we can move over to the stove. So guys, I've put about 1/3 cup of oil, canola oil, into this pot over here. You could also use, I like to use coconut oil. Unfortunately, I am out of coconut oil. I love coconut oil because I love the smell, the aroma, and I think it also gives it a good taste. Now, I've tested it and it's hot enough. I have it on medium high heat. So I'm gonna see if you can see it now. This is how I'm gonna scoop them and put them in here. Remember, because we didn't make them too thin, when you put them in the pot, you don't want to make them too big. Because when you do them, you want to make sure when you fry them, you want to make sure the inside is done. I'm trying not to sneeze. So guys, I'm going to give them a nice brown golden color on each side. I'm going to say about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. So I'll come back and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to pause again and come back and show you what that looks like on each side. Okay guys, I'm back, and the second set is just about done. Nice and golden. Like I said, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. To make sure the insides are done also. You don't want to just get them done on the outside and then you bite into them and the insides are not done. Now I have a plantain over here. I'm gonna fry this also. And here's my coffee mug. Let it be according to your word, that you may know that there is no one like the Lord our God. Exodus 8:10. Amen. So I'm going to get my coffee ready. Here's my creamer. And because I'm a weirdo like my kids say, even though the coffee pot is still on, and you see steam coming from the coffee. Okay, I thought I was going to have to put it in the microwave and heat it up a little bit, but no, it's still pretty hot. Okay. Nice. And guys, this is the morning that everyone is watching what's happening in Hurricane Florence. So I'm gonna go sit right in front of my television and pray and watch. I have a sister in North Carolina. My best friend's daughter is in the Marines in South Carolina, her and her husband. So I'm I'm going to be in front of the television for most of this morning. I'm praying along with the rest of you all. And just rebuking that thing and sending it back to the sea. As I've been doing all week. You guys take a good shot of these, take a good look at these, saltfish fritters. They are so good. They won't be finished in the morning for breakfast. A few of them will be left on the stove, and my husband doesn't go to work till in the afternoon. So between him and Jay, they just walk down the stairs. They just come in the kitchen and get a snack, get something to drink, whatever, and they'll just grab one every time and that's what they'll do. Okay guys, the focus was on the saltfish fritters. I want to thank you so very much. I just bit into one of them so good. I want to thank you so much for watching. So golden crispy. Again, from my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, I want to wish you a wonderful day. God bless. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a blessed day and a blessed life. God bless you. I love you. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I appreciate the support. God bless.